Hi, welcome, bienvenidos. It's your girl Yessie, and I'm back with another video. For today's 12 days of tutorial, I'm going to be doing a look using Sigma Cor-de-Rosa eyeshadow palette. Who remembers this gem? It truly was. And this is what she looks like. I even have the brush in there. I always try to leave the brushes in there. I do own a lot of Sigma's eye brushes, so I like to keep it with its palette. But if you're interested in watching what I create with the palette, then keep on watching. Alrighty, amigas, besties. So I'm going to be doing a look using this beauty right here. Not sure what I'm going to be doing, but we're going to be doing a look, a pretty one at that too, because I love all these coral colors. So yeah. Alrighty, so I've already done my eyebrows with nothing new. I used the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in Ebony to outline my eyebrows. And then I used the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dual Powder to shade them in. Then I used my MAC Paint Pot to carve out my eyebrows and prime the lids. And of course, I lightly set that with my translucent powder. So that's all I have going on in the eyes. And now I'm just gonna jump in to see what look I'm gonna create. And I'm also gonna be using, most of my brushes are from the Dream brush set. This is the brush collection that Sigma did with Beauty Bird here on YouTube. And these are all the brushes that I'm gonna be using. So yeah, I figured it's appropriate since I'm going to be using a Sigma eyeshadow palette. So yeah. Alrighty, let's get started. Alrighty, so first things first, actually I'm going to use one brush that's not part of this collection, and that's my jumbo eyeshadow brush. And I'm going to go into the shade Veranda, which is this cream shade right here, and I'm gonna apply that to my brow bone. So right here, and actually I'm actually gonna set the entire lid because why not, right? I like to apply like a light cream eyeshadow to the brow bone so it can highlight it and make it appear lifted. I like that look. I know a lot of people don't, but I do. Alrighty, so we just set the lids. Now I'm going to go in with a blending brush. I'm going to go in with the, of course, I need to stop saying Sigma times Beauty Bird, but this is the Dream Large Blend. And I think I'm going to go in with, I'm going to try Apricot, which is this beautiful like light orange shade, and I'm going to use that in the crease. And we are going to blend more shades just to deepen this orangey color. Alrighty, so now I'm going to grab the, what is this shade? This is the Dream Fluffy blend. I'm going to use this brush to use the shade Hybrid, which is this corally color right here. And ooh, very pigmented. And I'm really going to apply that shade in the crease right here in this outer part, and even on the outer part of the crease. That's such a pretty color. Oh my gosh. This brush fits perfectly right in your crease. Oh my god, these eyeshadows are so pretty. Now I'm going to go back into the large, what is it called? The Dream Large Blend. And I'm just going to blend out the outer part. I don't want that like orangey shade to disappear. So I'm just reapplying it and blending out that corally shade called Hybrid. So it should look something like this. Okay, so now I think I'm gonna go into, Summer Song. Yeah, which is this like terracotta color, and I'm gonna be using, let's see, yeah, I'm gonna use this shade right here. This is the blending brush. It's like a tapered brush. This is my favorite brush to use in this outer part. So again, I'm going to be using this shade right here called Summer Song, which is this terracotta orange. It's like a brown orange shade. And I'm going to use that shade in this outer part right here. Ooh, so pretty. Look at that. The shade is so vibrant. Oh my gosh, beautiful. Wow, that is stunning. I love shades like this. And I'm blending it up into the crease. Just a little bit. Like so, but they blend so effortlessly. I love that. Love, love, love that. Yes. Alrighty. Beautiful. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with a shimmer. I might go in with two, but before I apply a shimmer, I always go in with some type of a glitter glue. I have on hand the Pat McGrath Labs, what is it, Intensify Artistry wand, and I'm gonna apply this to this part of the lid right here, like so. Then I'm gonna go in, I like to use my finger, but I might use a blending brush. I'm gonna be using the Dream Cream color, like a flat shader brush, and I'm gonna be going into the shade High Society. Actually, no. Yeah, High Society, which is this beautiful, it's like a, I don't know, it looks like a pink orange shade right here, but I'm gonna go into that shade and I'm gonna see how it applies with the brush. If not, I'm gonna go in with my finger. I don't like how it applies with the brush. Alright, so I'm just gonna use my finger and I'm gonna apply it right here. Okay, and now I'm going to go into Sun Sprite, which is this shade, this gold shade right here. And with my other finger, I'm going to take that color in the inner part of the lid. That is such a pretty, intense shade. I think I'm going to go back in with my shader brush, my flat shader brush. And I'm going to apply more of that Summer Song shade and just deepen this corner a little bit more, like so. I feel like I lost some of that color. Then I'm going to go in with the small blending brush and I'm going to apply a little bit more of that coral color in the crease because I feel like I lost it. And then I'm going to go in with my fluffy blending brush with that apricot color. And I'm just going to blend it up here just so we don't lose that color. Like so. So now I'm going to do this eye and then I'll be back to show you what the eyes look like. So stay tuned. Alrighty, so this is the look I was able to create with this eyeshadow palette. So now I'm going to jump off camera and do a liner, lashes, do the face, and then I'll come back and show you the final result. So stay tuned. And I'm back. So this is the look I created using the Sigma Cor-de-Rosa eyeshadow palette. What do you guys think? I think it looks so pretty. I really love all these coral pink colors in this eyeshadow palette. This is such a fall, what am I saying? This is such a spring eyeshadow palette. It might make an appearance for spring 2023. Who knows? But I do love the eyeshadow palette, and yeah, I love the look. I hope you like the look as well, and I hope you've been enjoying all the videos in my 12 days of tutorials. But yeah, that's all for me today. I hope you're having a great day wherever you are, and as always, I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.